High-tech features. Features an electronic mobile with spinning toys, vibration, calming nightlight, twinkle lights and soothing music. Mobile requires 4 AA batteries, not included. What's included? Includes a fitted sheet and a 1 water-resistant mattress pad. Airflow. Mesh sides provide increased airflow for baby's comfort and visibility for mom. Size. Assembled dimensions, 31.69 L x 26.77 W x 22.44 H. Weighs 13.78 pounds. Small footprint makes it a great for room sharing. Compact fold makes storing and traveling easy. We put your baby's safety first. JPMA certified to meet or exceed all safety standards set by an ASTM. Baby will drift gently into dreamland with this Deluxe Activity Sleeper Bassinet by Delta Children. Mesh sides help increase airflow for your baby's comfort and also provide ample visibility for mom and dad. Loaded with a ton of high-tech features that will help you put your baby to bed each night, this bassinet effortlessly soothes with its spinning mobile, vibration, calming nightlight, twinkle lights and peaceful music. Its compact fold makes it an extremely versatile sleep space that can be used at home, at grandma's house, or anywhere else you travel. A great baby shower gift or baby registry item, the Deluxe Activity Sleeper Bassinet by Delta Children will help make bedtime with your newborn enjoyable and easy. This bassinet is recommended for babies 0 to 5 months. Stop use at 5 months or once your infant begins to push up on their hands and knees, whichever comes first. Delta Children was founded around the idea of making safe, high-quality children's furniture affordable for all families. They know there's nothing more important than safety when it comes to your child's space. That's why all Delta Children products are built with long-lasting materials to ensure they stand up to years of jumping and playing. Plus, they are rigorously tested to meet or exceed all industry safety standards. Top reviews from the United States. Very sturdy and fits nicely next to a bed. Perfect for small spaces. I bought this for my daughter with hopes she would sleep in it. She did not. But it is a very sturdy product and I liked it except for the fact that it advertises mesh sides so baby can breathe if the face is against the side. However, the mesh doesn't come down far enough to where baby's mouth would be. There's about a 2-in solid piece of material where the mattress is before the mesh starts. Anyways, it's small and is compact, easy to collapse when not in use. It can be places right up next to your bed so baby can easily be seen during the night.